In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription or free trial in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Log into Canva. Go to canva.com and sign in with an account where your Pro subscription or trial is active. Step 2. Open Account Settings. Click your profile in the bottom left corner, then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Billing and Plans. In the left-hand sidebar, click Billing and Plans to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Find the Cancel option. Under your plan, look for Cancel Subscription or Cancel Trial. Click it to start the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm your cancellation. Canva may offer discounts or ask for feedback. Scroll down and click Continue to cancel. Confirm your choice until you see the final confirmation message. Step 6. Check your access. You'll still have Pro features until the end of your current billing period or trial date. After that, your account will switch to free plan automatically. Now, you've successfully canceled your Canva Pro subscription or trial. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.